Okay, class, section hotel, third year. Our CRIM 6 subjects is all about dispute resolution and crisis incident management. Sa mga mag-online po, hinihintay ko po kayo dyan, yung mga, join lang po kayo sa Zoom meeting natin. Our subject is all about dispute resolution and crisis incident. Dispute resolution and crisis management po. In our last session po, nung tayo face-to-face ay pag-aralan po natin yung introduction po ng resolution, yung mga theories. Naputol po tayo sa pag-aaral all about the theories and crime conversation in general po. Pagpapatuloy po natin. Mag-present lang po sa yung mga, kung nandyan pa po yung iba, just say present. Pwede po magtanong sa Zoom meeting po. We study the word conflict. The word conflict comes from the word or the Latin word confligere. I-review lang po natin. Okay? Pag-aaralan po natin yung mga theory na related po sa theories of crime and causation in general po. Okay? Conflict may also refer to natural disagreement. Okay? Tanya pa ba yung section hotel? Baka yung iba po ay kapaparticipate, magtatanong po ako mamaya. Okay? Conflict may also refer to a natural disagreement or struggle between people which may be physical or between conflicting ideas. It exists when they have incompatible goals. One or more believe that the behavior of the other prevents them from achieving their own goals. Ano ba yung conflict theory? Conflict theory states that tension and conflicts arise when resources, status, and power are unevenly distributed between groups and society. That this conflict become an engine for social changes. Okay? Conflict theory originated in the work of Karl Marx, who focused causes consequences. Pag-aralan po natin before si Karl Marx. Consequences of class conflict between a bourgeoisie, or the owner of the means of production, and the capitalist, and the proletariat, the working class, and the poor. Many social theories have built on Marx's complex theory to foster its growth and refine it over the years. Na-refine po yung pag-aaral tungkol kay Karl Marx. Critical theory. Pag-aaralan po yung mga theory dito. Critical theory has a distinctive aim to unmask the ideology, falsely justifying some form of social or economic oppressions, to reveal ideology, to contribute to the task of ending of oppressions. Critical theory derives from Kant in 18th century and Marx in 19th century. Use of the term critic as in Marx in critic. Yung from Kant 18th century and Marx in 19th century. Use the term critic and Kant's critic and pure reason. The Marx concept that his work thus capital form of critic and political economy. Okay? Rational choice theory. Adolescents have immature brains that cannot fully comprehend consequences. Humans are generally influenced more by emotions than cold logic. Individuals who commit crimes often lack of information or the perspective to make a sound judgment. Okay, what is the major criminology theories? Ano po ba yan, mga yan? And how they affect the policy? What is criminal behavior? And what causes it? Okay? Sa klase ko po na into hotel and other sections, dapat alam nyo na to kasi napag-aralan na po before sa mga nauna nyo subject sa criminology. Sa first year nyo po, napag-aralan na po ito. Dapat may ideas na po kayo dito sa pag-aaral ng mga theory po. You answer the fundamental question plays on an essential role in how it responds to a crime from developing crime, preventing programs to design incarceration system and rehabilitating criminals. Each of the following theories have as involved with the advent of more sophisticated technology and the current trend towards examining criminal behavior has been impacted, albeit at a slower pace, by changes in public policy. Contemporary theory. Contemporary theory suggests that individuals who, yung under po ng major criminal theories po, contemporary theory suggests that individuals would be scared straight by punishment are already disinclined to commit crimes. Pag sinabi naman natin contemporary criminologists, I believe that policies based on a rational choice theory should a more modest specific targets and focuses. In social learning theory po, ito naman yung proposes that we engage in either criminal or non-criminal behavior based on social environment around us, or that we are especially influenced by how other people reward or model behavior. Criminal behaviors are learned and can be counteracted by developing a social environment in which criminal behavior is not normalized. Labeling theory. Pag sinabi natin labeling theory, applying a label, whether that means informally designating a youth as a bad kid or troublemaker, a more formal arrest or incarceration record, or having a long-term effect, or a given person. Labeling theory focus on reducing the negative repercussion of prior labels and providing opportunities for new growth. Sociological theories are often criticized for not being able to provide strong evidence for the causal relationship they posit. Nevertheless, they are important because they complement the more individual-focused biologically and sociologically theories. Emphasize the language, ethnicity, class, and criminal behavior. Yan po yung social theories. Rodent activity theory provide a simple and powerful insight into cause of crime problems. At its heart is the idea that in the absence of effective controls, offenders will prey on attractive targets. To commit a crime, a motivated offender must come to the same place as an attractive target. If controllers are absent or present but powerless, crime is possible. Low IQ theory. Sa low IQ theory po, ito po yung IQ crime correlations takes one of the three approaches. IQ and crime are spuriously low IQ increase criminal behavior and criminal behavior decreased IQ. The argument IQ as the cause of crime holds that school teacher and administrators treat students differently based on perception of the students' intelligence, giving negative labels and fewer education opportunities to fewer students. Yung pag mahina, may tendency masama na, ganoon, mahina ulo, yung mga label ng mga teacher po na minsan nakakasama po sa pagkakaroon ng isip ng bata na maging criminal sila. Ganun po. Alienation and resentment lead students to delinquent peers and criminal behavior by Maynard and Morse. How about social disorganization theory? Social disorganization theory. This is one of the most important theory developed by Chicago School. Yan po yan. Social disorganization theory related to ecological theories. The theory directly links crime rates to neighborhood ecological characteristic. A core principle of social disorganization is that a person, residential location is a substantial factor in shaping the likelihood that they will become involved in illegal activities. The theory suggests that among determinants of person's illegal activity, residential location is a significant or more significant than person individual characteristic, age, gender, or race. Okay? How about this string theory? Societies are composed of two core aspects, culture and social culture. In the realm of culture, our values, beliefs, and goals and identities are developed. These are developed in response to existing social structure of society, which is realized through positive identities. Cultural goals are not in balance with the means of made available in social structure. And this is when structure strain occurs, and according to Merton, deviant behavior is likely to occur. Most people have similar aspirations, but they don't have all opportunities to or abilities. When people fail to achieve society's expectation through approved means, such as hard work and delayed gratification, they may attempt to achieve success through crime. Yan po yung strain theory. In sociology and criminology, strain theory states that social structures within society may pressure citizens to commit a crime. General strain theory. Pag sinabi po natin general strain theory, the theory also focuses on the specific perspective of those for status expectations and class rather than focusing on money. As Merton theory does, example of general strain theory are people who use illegal drugs. Yun po example niyan. To make themselves feel better. Or a student assaulting his peers to end the harassment because yan po yung general strain theory. Social control theory. Pag sinabi natin social control theory, most people would commit crime if not for the controls the society places on individual through institutions such as schools, workplaces, churches, and families. Jurists believe it is a society's responsibility to maintain a certain degree of stability. Certainly in an individual's life, to make a rules and responsibilities clear, and to create other activities to complement the art of criminal activity. Routine activity theory and social control theory are especially important when analyzing crime in impoverished areas. The effect of poverty on the likelihood of crime is no secret, nor it is a new phenomenon. Giving a child an alternative to a life of a crime. Okay po. Rural activity theory and social theory are especially important in analyzing crime in impoverished areas. The effect of poverty on the likelihood of a crime is no secret, nor is a new phenomenon. Giving a child an alternative to a life crime is necessary under this theory. Conflict resolution strategies. Yung po yung 5 na pag-aralan po natin. Yung nabanggit po natin yung mga theory kanina. Okay, ano po ba yung 5? Before. Pag-aralan natin. Avoiding theory, Theories of Conflict and Crimes by Thomas Kilman. This model, the two-dimensional people fall into when choosing a conflict resolution strategy. Assertiveness and cooperativeness and assertiveness involving taking action to satisfy own needs, while cooperativeness involves taking actions. The 5 conflict resolution strategies. Number 1, avoiding. Someone who uses the strategy of avoiding mostly tries to ignore or sidestep the conflict, hoping it will resolve itself or dissipate. Accommodating. Number 2, using a strategy of accommodating to resolve the conflict essentially involves taking steps to satisfy the other party's concern or demands at the expense of your own needs or desire. Pag sinabi natin compromising, the strategy of compromising involves finding an acceptable resolution that will partly but not entirely satisfy the concern of all involved. Compromising po yon. Competing. Pag sinabi natin competing, someone who uses the conflict resolution strategy of competing tries to satisfy their own desire at the expense of other parties involved. Collaborating. Using collaborating involves finding a solution that entirely satisfies the concern of all involved parties. It's the complex resolution studies involves different degrees of assertiveness and cooperativeness. For example, while accommodating include a high degree of cooperativeness and low degree of assertiveness, competing consists of low degree and cooperativeness and high degree of assertiveness. Hotel, ito po yung meron po tayong yan po yung lecture po natin. Yan po natin muna at the next meeting po ulit. Meron po tayong 10 item exam. Multiple choice naman po ito. Yan ko sa inyo yung mga bigyan ko kayo ng mga example. What does the dispute resolution refer to? Una, example lang po ito. According to contemporary theories, criminologists, what should policies based on a rational choice theory focus on? Ano po ba yon? critical theory aims? Yung mga tanong po ito. Who developed critical theory as a radical emancipatory or Martian theory? Isa pang tanong po. Social learning theory proposed that criminal behaviors are learned and can be counteracted by. Yan. Yung nakaraan po nagkaroon ko na assignment sa inyo about Republic Act 9285. May mga gumawa po ba dyan? Sa hotel. Sa ibang section po may gumawa po. Okay po. Okay. Third year, yung assignment ko po ng 9285 Act of 2004 na Alternative Dispute Resolution, known as Alternative Dispute Resolution, o yung ADR is a Neutral Evaluation, Negotiation, Conciliation, Mediation, and Arbitration po. Kailangan po nyo i-explain, i-discuss po yan in a short video po. Yan po ang assignment nyo ngayon at isisend nyo po yan sa ating group chat at nawa po na yan ay naipaliwanag po natin na mahusay sa ating mga classmates at sa akin po. Yan po ay gagawin nyo po ngayon hanggang bukas po ang deadline po natin, ang hapon. At naman natutunan po natin ang tungkol sa dispute resolution and incident to theory and criminological theory po. Yan po ay dapat nating pag-aralan, balikan po yung pinag-aralan natin dati. Natutunan po natin upang masolusyonan po natin ang mga crisis, ang dapat nakaisipan sa pagsugpo ng pagsolusyon sa mga criminal and problem natin sa lipunan. Thank you po at sa ulitin po.